year मेळटले. आता full amount of the meter, cost of the meter परत सांगता, plus data charges आणि सर्विस चार्जेस सगळे तांकां मेळटा. ओडिशा तांकां जे मायज फारीक करपा पडटा तेजे मीन्स 11,234 full amount is being refunded in the account. A side meter बसोय, ने other side after filling the form they are getting the refund. Even आम्ही fund specially provide केला, so कोणाचे delay जायना. दुसरी grievance आसले that I was very harsh on them. लायसन्स कॅन्सल केली, लायसन्स हांवें कॅन्सल करूना. आदेश आहा हायकोर्टाचो, तरी आसतना आमी हायकोर्टा कडेन मागला. आतां हायकोर्टान कितें सांगला, आफ्टर दे फिट द मिटर्स यू कॅन रिन्यू द permit म्हणून. सो वी आर गोइंग टू रिन्यू द permit. कोणाचे कॅन्सल जावपा ना, प्रोवायडेड दे फिक्स द मीटर.
दे आर फॉलोइंग इट नाउ.
येस, दे आर फॉलोइंग. मोस्ट मेजॉरिटी ऑफ देम हॅव फॉलोड इट ऑलरेडी.
आता पर्यंत कितले जाणांनी फिट केल्या और बुक केल्या?
I don't have the latest number now. You're asking me now, but I can say it is a good number who have already fitted meters. A good number have already booked. आणि ओन्ली थोडेशे उरला, आनी तो नंबर उरला ते चड कित्याक दिसता, कित्याक आमी कॅन्सल केल्ले 1,800 परमीट. आतां तांकांय आमी बसोवपाक परवानगी दिला न्ही. एकदां बसयले म्हणटच आमी परमीट तेंची एक्टिवेट करतले, मीन्स विदाउट गोईंग थ्रू एनी एक्स्ट्रा फॉर्मेलिटीज.
ते म्हणटाले की ₹1 भरचो पडपाक जाय, गेले की गव्हर्मेंट फ्रीच दिता न्हू, डायरेक्टली आमकां फ्री मेळपाक जाय.
पॉसिबल जायना. सी, दॅट इज नॉट माय डिसिजन. देर आर सर्टन फायनान्शियल रुल्स which are there right from the beginning. We cannot flout everything. And taxi people should understand, we have overreached them. Ami sarke tenka paula. What about other people who have suffered? Can government afford to give relief to 100% people? No, because government revenues also have suffered. So from where the money will come? In spite of that, because taxi, as I call them, ambassadors of tourism, आणि तेणी बरे लोकांकडे वागणूक करून समजुनी घेऊन ते काम करतले म्हणून तांकां हांवें एक एक्स्ट्रा प्रेफरन्स दिला.
सर, आनी एक इशू म्हणटा पळय तो ह्या दिसांनी खूब चर्चा आनी खूब जाल्लो आसा म्हणटा पळय, स्पेशली ऑन पॉलिटिकल इशू वे मोस्ट ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आर कमिंग टू गोवा आनी हितूंतल्यान म्हणटा पळय ती ह्या दिसांनी TMC चलयता. सो वॉट इज द से ऑन दीस?
कोणूय येवं, एवरीबडी हॅज अ रायट टू कम एंड कॉन्टेस्ट इलेक्शन. If they were not having their presence in Goa, it is their right to have the presence. But as I am noting, I am there in politics for last 40 years. Whoever is coming, whatever everybody is doing, you analyze it carefully as media. It is advantage BJP.
No, is it advantage only BJP in your constituency? You are talking about all.
It is advantage BJP in entire Goa in most of the constituencies. And rather they are assuring the BJP of the majority of its own by whatever they are doing. You see what is happening, you analyze it politically.
It is only,
I will not give you the analysis.
No, it will harm only Congress, you feel?
Huh?
It will harm only Congress, not BJP?
It will harm people who are our political opponents. I don't want to name only one particular party. One thing is very sure, that BJP is on the right track, and by whatever more parties that have come, more the merrier. It is said it is more the merrier, but I think it is merrier for BJP. It is advantage BJP.
Nothing, no issues at all.
No issues at all. They are happy they have come. They are most welcome.
Delhi होता म्हणून ते आयकता मागीर तितून एडवांटेज कोणाक?
कोण?
तुमचे थोडे कोण आउट ऑफ द दिल्ली वयता हिंगा.
एक सांगता, BJP has grown and it has grown into a large family with the maximum karyakartas who are working at grassroots level, who have had an early start. If you have seen our working, I don't think there is chance whatsoever for anybody to win. You see the result, end result. I will give you an analogy to this. जेन्ना जिल्हा इलेक्शन येयलें कितें म्हणटाले, तो सय चान्स ना BJP. तुमीच म्हाका सांगपी. आमी सांगले आमी केअरफुली वर्किंग केल्लें आसा, आमचे कार्यकर्ता बरे एक्टिव्ह आहा. Ours is based on development and performance of the government. We will sweep. Nobody believed us, but we swept.
Now also you will sweep.
And in the same way, municipal elections came after that. What happened? We swept the election. Now also we will sweep the election. See, don't point out small specific cases which are an exception to the rule. There is always an exception to the rule. But in general trend is, आमकां बिलकुल difficulty ना. ही difficulty जे दाखयता ते खंयच्या पेपराचेर ओ मिडियाचेर ओ चड करून सोशल मिडियाचेर एम्प्टी वेसल्स मेक मोस्ट नॉयज म्हणटा अशें ते आपले ते सारखे पब्लिसायज करपाक ट्राय करता सगळी नेगेटिविटी जाता तितली नेगेटिव्ह
युअर काँग्रेसमॅन एक विचारतो पंजाबचो डेव्हलपमेंट इवन गोवा लुइजींग डेव्हलपमेंट तेजेर तुमी कशें
See, basically, when a person feels lost, he wants some rehabilitation. And some people are very shrewd to rehabilitate themselves very comfortably, using all means. Teaching some people whom they were very close, and they show it, they have done a sacrifice for whole of Goa. Where is the sacrifice? You are maybe going to Rajya Sabha, there are talks of something changing, a lot of things changing hand. So where is the sacrifice? And when these people have sacrificed, if they were so good, you tell me only one thing, why people dethroned them when a majority of government was formed within few months, and that also it happened twice, shows the lack of credibility of leadership of those people. And these people are going to shake BJP. Sorry, BJP is on firm ground. Our thing is based on performance, development. It is advantage BJP.
BJP चा कोण विचार TMC बीजेपीचे कोण विचारणार TMC
यू आस्क तुम्ही ना आवाज तुम्हीच करता आणि तुम्हीच सांगता कोणाक तुम्ही आवाज येता तिंगा विचार नॉट टू बाय नॉलेज नोबडी विल डिझर्ट अ व्हेरी स्ट्रॉंग शिप
आणि सावथाक काय इफेक्ट जावचो ना तुमकां
कितें
बीजेपीक सावथाक काय इफेक्ट जावचो ना
See, we have done our own working. We have got good people guiding us, like Devendra Fadnavis ji and other leaders at center led by Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. I don't think we have any problem. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.